Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and today I share with you how to add thumbnails on your YouTube video using your mobile phone. So guys, let's start. But before start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So guys, let's start. First, go to your Playstore on your mobile phone. Search the YouTube Studio application. You only have to do is click the install and wait for to download the application. Okay guys, after download the application, you will see the open button. So click open or go to the application on your Android phone. So click the YT Studio. Okay guys, welcome to the YouTube Studio application. So guys, you will see the video and you will see my status of my YouTube. How to change the thumbnail of your video. So guys, for example, so I will change my thumbnail of this video. So click on the video you want to change the thumbnail. Okay guys, you will see the information of your video. Then you will see on the top the edit icon or the pencil icon on the top. Click this, and now you will see the image you want to change or change the thumbnail or edit thumbnail. So click edit thumbnail to change it, and now you will see the image of your video. So okay guys, click the custom thumbnail to change your thumbnail. I select the image and put to my video. So guys, your image size is 1280 pixel and 720 pixel. So I choose this image to my video, to put on my video. So click the image, then you'll see the image was changed. Then click select, and after that you will see the change of your video thumbnail. Then click save and saving change. So okay guys, let's see what happened on your video thumbnail. So that's it, and thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Thanks.